Hi there, my name is Mario Bartholomew, and I warmly welcome you to my video titled How to Make $5,000 per Month, the Top 11 Ways. My lifelong dream has been to break free from traditional employment and work online from anywhere, at any time. Just picture yourself lounging on a beautiful beach, enjoying a holiday resort, or simply relaxing at home and sleeping whenever you please. In this video, I'll be delving into the top 11 ways to make money online, all of which I've personally explored. Each of these methods offers you the opportunity to achieve your financial goals, whether you're looking to supplement your income or pursue a full-time online career. From legitimate freelance gigs to lucrative entrepreneurial ventures, I've got you covered with a range of options. Join me as we explore the diverse avenues through which you can earn money from the comfort of your own home or from anywhere in the world, at any time. And stay tuned until the end because I have a special treat for you, a free gift related to one of these 11 methods, which I've found to be particularly enjoyable and lucrative. So let's start and look at each of the top 11 ways. Number 1. Freelancing. First up, freelancing offers a flexible way to monetize your skills and expertise. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking your services. Set your own rates, choose your projects, and build a portfolio to attract high-paying clients. Number 2. Online tutoring. Tap into the growing demand for online education by becoming an online tutor. If you excel in subjects like math, science, languages, or test preparation, platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutor.com offer opportunities to teach students of all ages from around the world. Share your knowledge and earn money on your own schedule. Number 3. Selling products online. Turn your passion into profit by selling products online. Whether you create handmade crafts, design digital products, or source goods from wholesalers, platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon provide a marketplace to reach millions of potential customers. Invest in marketing and customer service to build a successful online store. Number 4. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Maximize your online influence with high-ticket affiliate marketing. By endorsing products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral, you can cultivate passive income streams through renowned affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or other noteworthy affiliate marketing platforms that offer commissions ranging from 25% to 100%. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a complimentary ebook on this topic. Select products that resonate with your audience and utilize your content to optimize conversion rates. Number 5. Content creation. Explore the world of content creation to monetize your creativity and expertise. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, blogger, or social media influencer, platforms like YouTube, Patreon, and WordPress offer opportunities to monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, memberships, and merchandise sales. Consistently produce quality content to grow your audience and revenue stream. Number 6. Online courses and coaching. Share your knowledge and skills by creating and selling online courses or coaching programs. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coach.me allow you to package your expertise into digital products and services that people are willing to pay for. Identify your niche, create valuable content, and market your offerings to attract students and clients. Number 7. Stock photography and videography. Monetize your photography and videography skills by selling your work online. Stock photography and videography platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 offer a marketplace for photographers and videographers to license their images and footage to businesses, advertisers, and creatives worldwide. Capture compelling visuals and optimize your metadata to maximize your earnings. Number 8. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment through dropshipping. Instead of stocking inventory, you partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Oberlo enable you to set up an online store, choose products to sell, and automate the order fulfillment process. Focus on marketing and customer experience to drive sales and profitability. Number 9. Virtual events and workshops. Monetize your expertise by hosting virtual events and workshops. Whether you're a fitness instructor, life coach, or business consultant, platforms like Zoom, Eventbrite, and Teachable allow you to organize and sell tickets to online classes, seminars, and conferences. Deliver engaging content and provide value to participants to build a loyal following. Number 10. Freelance writing and blogging. Finally, capitalize on your writing skills by freelancing or starting a blog. Content marketing is in high demand, and businesses are willing to pay for quality written content. Platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, and WordPress offer opportunities to publish and monetize your articles through ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Find your niche, build your portfolio, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Number 11. Play with cryptocurrencies. I saved this for last because it's an area where I've found success and can be pursued concurrently with one of the earlier opportunities outlined. You have the option here of trading cryptocurrencies, which isn't my preference, or simply holding and accumulating Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Cryptocurrencies follow a boom and bust cycle, but overall, their peak values have increased over time just by holding. You can focus on one of the 110 opportunities during the crypto winter and perhaps experiment with different cryptocurrencies during a crypto summer period while continuing one of the above opportunities. As we conclude our exploration of the top 11 ways to make money online, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products, or content creation, consistency, patience, and perseverance are key to building a sustainable online income. Earlier, I mentioned that I have a complimentary ebook which is titled The Proven Steps to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job. The free ebook focuses on high-ticket affiliate marketing and on how to get started for beginners. To get the free ebook, please visit the download link at www.mariobartholomew.com. You can find the links in the video description and pinned comments. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital online landscape and work from anywhere at any time. Thank you for listening to my video entitled How to $5,000 per month, the top 11 ways.